Hi, and welcome to a brand new course. In this course, we are going to be looking into Laravel. So we'll be studying Laravel from the basic, from the beginning, from scratch, right up to advanced level. So if you are new to the channel, consider subscribing to this channel so that you don't miss any upcoming tutorials that are coming. So what is Laravel? For us to do that, we are going to head over to this website, the Laravel website. So just go to whatever web browser and you type in Laravel. Okay, so when you type in Laravel, you select the first link that you are going to see. You click on it, go to documentation. So this is a Laravel website. I want to come here. Alright. Now, Miss Laravel. Okay. Now, so what is Laravel? So when you read here, you say there are a variety of tools and frameworks available to you when building a web application. However, we believe Laravel is the best choice for building modern full-stack web application. I am going to explain to you what that statement means in a bit, but I want you to come down here and look at this statement. You say we call Laravel a progressive framework. By that we mean that Laravel grows with you. Okay, so before we look into that, we want to talk about Laravel. So Laravel is a web application framework with expressive, elegant syntax. So a web framework provides a structure and starting point for creating your applications. So when you look at an application, you discover that the structure of the application is the same. The way you access an application, or you see even this website you see here, the structure is just the same. You understand? So the way you access a website, you send a request to the web server and the web server gives you back a response. For example, now you see if I want to come here, I want to go to configuration. What I am doing here, I'm actually clicking a link. When I click this link, it's sending a request to the server. So when I click on the link, it's going to send a request to the server and the server is going to give me back a response. So Laravel is a full stack web application framework to render the response. So we are going to look on all of this as we go down in the course. So we are going to understand all of those things detailedly. So this is just the introduction to Laravel. So why are we choosing Laravel? So the first point we say Laravel is a progressive framework. See, we like to call Laravel a progressive framework because Laravel grows with you. You understand? So the second one is Laravel is scalable. When we talk about scalability, you talk about the amount or the requests per second, or the amount of requests that your application can process in a second. For example, you see if a site that handles so many requests at the same time, that's to say that has so many users that are sending requests to the application at the same time. Let's take an example of the site like Facebook. See, when you go to Facebook, there are hundreds, thousands and millions of people who are actually searching for something at a particular point in time, or so many people use sending a request to a server in 1 second. So For that to happen, you need to have a very powerful back-end language or a very powerful server that can handle such a request. That's millions of requests per second. So Laravel is good at it. It handles so many requests per second. That's why we choose it, thanks to the scalable nature of PHP. So since Laravel is built with PHP, it can actually handle so many requests per second. So if you have an application that is going to handle so many requests per second, Laravel is a good choice to go with. Laravel also has a very huge community that will help you if you need any help, if you have any issues, any worries. So Laravel has a huge community that are also welcoming. So if you have any problem, you can just ask and you certainly have answer to the problem. So that's it with this video. I thank you for switching on to Web School. Thank you for joining our Laravel course. We promise you are going to have everything you need to develop a robust application in Laravel. So consider subscribing again to the channel so that you follow the course gradually and serially, and by the end of the course you will be building something amazing. We also promise you that we are going to be building live projects on this same course. So at the end, we're going to be building a project so that you see how all what you're going to learn is going to be put together for your own understanding. So thank you again for joining us to the next. We are going to see you again in the next video. So bye bye.